The Skytech Gaming Nebula Gaming is changing everything you thought was possible for your gaming experience. Imagine having the power to run all your favorite games at ultra settings, detailed 1080p Full HD resolution, and smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. That's exactly what this beast of a gaming PC delivers, a truly immersive experience that'll transport you into the game world. Whether you're playing Call of Duty, Fortnite, or Escape from Tarkov, this machine ensures you're getting the best out of your favorite games. But what makes this possible? It all starts with the powerful AMD Ryzen 7 7700 3.8 GHz CPU processor, which packs a punch with its 5.3 GHz turbo boost. That means you'll get lightning-fast processing speeds, perfect for handling demanding games and applications. And when it comes to storage, this PC boasts an incredible 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, which is up to 30x faster than traditional hard drives. Imagine loading your favorite games in seconds, not minutes. Next up is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card, which delivers top-tier performance and stunning visuals. This isn't just a pretty face, though, it's also equipped with 8GB GDDR5 memory and support for ray tracing, making it perfect for gaming at high refresh rates. And let's not forget about the RAM. This PC comes with 16GB DDR5 memory and a heat spreader to keep everything cool under pressure. But what really sets this PC apart is its thoughtful design. You get a range of ports, including HDMI, DisplayPort, USB 2.0, USB 3.0, and USB 3.2 Gen 1, making it easy to connect your peripherals and other devices. And with HD audio and mic support, you'll be able to fully immerse yourself in the game world. One of the standout features of this PC is its cooling system. The high-performance air cooler ensures maximum airflow, and ARGB fans create a mesmerizing light show that's sure to impress. Plus, with a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, you can have peace of mind knowing you're protected in case anything goes wrong. But what does all this mean for you? It means you'll be able to enjoy the latest games at their highest quality settings, without breaking the bank. The Skytech Gaming Nebula Gaming is a premium gaming PC that offers unparalleled price-to-performance value, and it's available now at an unbeatable price. So why settle for anything less when you can have the best? The Skytech Gaming Nebula Gaming is more than just a PC, it's an upgrade to your gaming experience. And with its impressive specs, thoughtful design, and affordable price, it's an offer you won't want to miss.